In 1997, scientists detected a mysterious sound. To find the source, we must travel to the surface, and then dive deep into the heart of the mystery. In 1997, they called it the Bloop. Its origin remains a mystery. Hidden deep within the abyss, it was picked up by a network of underwater microphones. Originally built by the U.S. Navy, to track Soviet submarines. Now, NOAA scientists use them to listen to the ocean itself. Now, hydrophones are underwater microphones anchored to the seafloor.
Sound travels farther and faster in water. Which is exactly why this signal seemed impossible. Which is exactly why the researchers plotted the sound. Which is exactly why they saw a strange rising signature. Which is exactly why they saw a strange rumble lasting about a minute.
It didn't match anything in their database. It didn't match anything in their database. The sound was far louder. Than any known animal on Earth. Detected by sensors 5,000 kilometers apart. For comparison, even the loudest whale call couldn't travel that far. When NOAA released the recording, it spread like wildfire. A submarine? Something sea monster? A submarine? Something science had never seen? One popular theory pointed to a colossal squid. 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 One popular theory linking the sound's location pointed to a colossal squid. One popular theory, Relia, home to pure fiction, but the internet loved the coincidence. But marine biologists were skeptical. But no known animal were skeptical.
but no known ant had the biological capacity.
The mystery needed a different kind of explanation. The bloop wasn't alone. The bloop wasn't alone, as hydrophones had also picked up. The bloop wasn't alone, as hydrophones slow down, upsweep, and the whistle. The bloop wasn't alone, as hydrophone. For years, the bloop remained unsolved. For years, continued expanding its deep-sea acoustic monitoring network. Its network of hydrophones hoping the sound would return. Then came a breakthrough. As researchers placed hydrophones near Antarctica, they began recording sounds. Coming from the polar ice. Scientists proposed a new explanation for this phenomenon. Ice quakes. When massive Antarctic ice shelves crack, they can generate enormous low-frequency sounds. Researchers compared the famous bloop with ice quakes. Researchers compare the acoustic signature the rising frequency pattern they matched almost perfectly. In 2005, NOAA officially confirmed it. It was the sound of Antarctic ice. It wasn't the monster. But in some ways, born from the slow, violent birth of an iceberg. Yet many of the ocean's other strange sounds remain a complete mystery. Julia, upsweep, the whistle. Julia remain a complete mystery.
less than 20% the distension to
helps scientists monitor the health of our oceans. And track how melting ice sheets
turning a viral mystery into real climate science.
The Bloop reminds us of how little we know about our own world. Earth's oceans. Could remain one of the least explored frontiers.
Sometimes, the strangest mysteries have the most natural explanations.
Somewhere beneath the waves. The ocean is still speaking. To listen.